What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out a subscription service that has over 700 fragrances to choose from. LUXSB, also known as Luxury Subscription Box. As you all know, or maybe you don't know, in that case, please subscribe to my channel. I love fragrances. Luxury fragrances, cheap fragrances, fragrances you could find discontinued at TJ Maxx.
I love fragrances.
So it's pretty cool to know that this subscription service exists. And they have so many fragrances to choose from. Like I said, over 700. That's insane. And the options, when they say luxury fragrances, they mean it. It's not just, Armani. Not that there's anything wrong with Armani, it's just a little basic. And that's my opinion, because I'm allowed to have one, of course. This is a $15 a month subscription service, and that's actually kind of amazing considering the amount of fragrances they have to offer. And of course, that's going to vary depending on how many fragrances you want to add to your program. You can check them out at LUXSB.com. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And if you stick around till the end, I'm going to give you a 35% off discount code as well. This video is not sponsored, nor am I an affiliate of LUXSB. They just kindly reached out to me to check out their service, and I want to give you guys a little treat for checking out my video. So if you're interested in this unboxing and LUXSB experience, then keep on watching. I feel like I just rambled your ear off, so let's get to the unboxing. I'm going to try to make this video as short and simple as possible. I've watched a lot of reviews of LUXSB and the videos were like longer than they needed to be, so I'm not going to do that. First off, the packaging, very sick, and it has some really cool scents that I picked out. One thing that I love is trying new fragrances, and a lot of, if you're not familiar with luxury fragrances, they're like $100 plus for most bottles, even the small bottles. So the beautiful thing about LUXSB is you can try those fragrances yourself, and if you like them, then you can buy the actual, product. So this is the package, so it looks like on the inside, and we have a little card here. It says, "Love life with perfume, how to use your LUXSB." Basically instructions here. It has a little capsule, and then you put your fragrance inside of it, and yeah, very, very simple. So we got that, and that was open. I'm not sure what's going on there. This is one of the boxes, and we have 3 fragrances in the bag. So let's start off with this one right here. First and foremost, presentation, guys. The box is very sick. It says LUXSB.com. There's a logo right there. Yeah, it's very simple. Love it. Does look luxurious. I definitely appreciate the packaging for sure. So let's open that up. And oh wow, so you could actually choose your capsule color. I didn't choose mine, they just sent me whatever they felt like, and I'm not mad about it because this color is beautiful. Oh wow, it's like a really cool teal color, and it says "Love life with perfume." And on the other side it says LUXSB, the logo right there, and all you do is twist up the top like it's a chapstick, and the perfume is exposed. I love that because it protects the product and it just prevents it from being wasted. So you could throw this in your bag, your gym bag, your car, wherever you need to, and it's protected. So we love that. And I'm loving this matte black moment right here. Kind of wish this was all matte black, even though I'm loving this teal color. But yeah, very, very sick. And even the top has a logo on there. So LUXSB took it all the way when it comes to getting their name out there on their product. So I appreciate. Now, one thing that's cool is, like, you can't really tell what perfume this is inside of here. So all you do is pull this up. And I know this because I've used subscription services, 𝗬𝗵𝘁, for example. That's almost the exact same. But let me tell you, they do not have the same amount of quantity of fragrances. I'm just going to throw that out there right now, being a little shady right now. But yeah, the amount that they have at LUXSB is a lot more than the 𝗬𝗵𝘁. Now, this is the Dolce Gabbana Light Blue, and Love is Love. Light Blue, Love is Love. Never actually smelled this one before. Smelled the OG light blue, and of course it's kind of like a iconic scent. So let me just give myself a little spritz here. We're gonna put it on the pressure point. Very nice. Very, very nice. If you guys don't know how to apply fragrances, apply them on your pressure points. I stopped applying it to my neck because it made me break out. But usually like on your body is when like it lasts the longest in my opinion, but oh wow, that smells amazing. You can find all the ingredients and the top, base, and middle note on the actual website of LUXSB. So if you're wondering like what scents can last longest, what ingredients are the main components in this, that will actually be provided on LUXSB.com. Moving on to the next fragrance, and one thing I want to make sure I tell you guys is the size. So I've checked out a lot of different perfume subscription services, but this is definitely the largest I've probably came across personally. This is 0.30 ounces, and that's a pretty decent size when it comes to cologne, and I'm loving that. And this is, I mean, for example, like the previous subscription service I mentioned, that bottle lasts me like more than a month. And I'm sure this is probably gonna last me maybe even like 2 months, if not maybe even 3, because quarantining, I'm not really going anywhere.
Wake up, Pearl.
So size definitely matters, and I appreciate that very, very much. This one is definitely a beautiful color as well. This is a cool pea green, I don't know, minty green color you want to call that. So it's the exact same experience. This is Moschino Toy Boy, and I wanted to smell this one for the longest time. The actual product is extremely expensive to buy. This fragrance it's one of the higher end fragrances I've wanted to purchase that I just cannot get myself to make that commitment. So luckily we have LUXSB, and I'm ready to give this a smell, guys. I waited for a long time to actually give this a smell. Oh wow, oh my gosh, that is like super refreshing. It's very airy. It's not a deep, like musky, like woody type scent, but then it kind of changes into a woody-esque scent. That's different. I love this. Okay, this is gonna be my go-to for a little minute.
A
little bit. I'm loving this one, guys. That's definitely better than the light blue. Next one here, and same box. I mean, the box has not changed packaging wise. We're getting a taste of 3 different colors, by the way. We have the blue, green, and this is kind of like a orangey moment. Let's see which one this is. I think it listed like 6 different scents from them to send me. They sent me 3 out of the 6, so this one is Maison Sybarite. Oh, it's this right here. Okay. Maison Sybarite. And it says here, French perfume brand created by master perfumers. First water-based, alcohol-free, fine fragrances with a milky texture using new technology. Oh wow, it's kind of weird. Very cool, and it really is milky. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it is a milky-esque product. That is so weird. Yeah, almost as weird as Gaga's black perfume, right? Let's give this a smell. I'm gonna put it over here. Oh, that is nice. That is very nice. And this actually provides you with the notes. So the head note is birch tar and lavender. It's a really weird combo. Like it though. Heart notes is cardamom, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And base note is ambrox, tonkin bean, patchouli, and cedarwood. So your base notes are actually going to be the notes that are going to last the longest. And that's a weird combination as well. I'm definitely getting the patchouli scent, cedarwood a little bit, birch tar. I have no idea what that is. I've never experienced that in my life, but I like it. So this is a very unique smell, I have to say. This is gonna be cool to add to the collection as well. So my thoughts on LUXSB, let me tell you guys, they definitely stand out when it comes to a subscription service of fragrances for me. I love the size. It's definitely not a small amount. You get a good, decent amount for the price. And the price is not even bad. 15 bucks a month. That's very good considering like the luxury type of options you have. It's insane. I'm actually a little taken back by all these scents going on right now, so pardon my delusion. I'm loving this. So if you actually use code, I believe it's 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 subscription. That's a wrap. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this LUXSB experience. I'm gonna leave all their information in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Of course, use a little code if you want to get yourself a nice little discount. Again, not sponsored, but if you did enjoy this video, please give this a thumbs up. Set off in the comment section below if there's any other fragrances you'd like for me to check out. Also, do not forget to please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Hit the notification bell. That is super important. If you don't click that, it means you will not be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, my personal Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏. I'm like, wait, my 𝗏𝗏 at Instagram, so check that out. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.